Hello, good people. This is Sherry. Today I am experimenting with herringbone wire weaving. The name herringbone comes from like the bones of a fish, because when you do the pattern correctly, that's what it looks like. I'm going to use an 8mm blue agate to do my wire weaving around. So I'm just going to put it on this wire paddle and see what I get. I'm doing my wire wrap with 22 gauge wire. And I start off by anchoring a wire wrap around the top 2 or 3 times. I'm leaving my wire on the spool because I have no idea about how much wire I'm going to need to use. This is taking a lot of coordination because I have to hold the wire tight and wind it around to the bottom stem, wrap it around, and then wrap it up the other side, back up to the top. And when I go up to the top, I go around the front and wrap my wire around the back and lay it over to the left. Now I'm going to go behind my first wire as I go back down to the bottom stem. And I have to hold the wire tight. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. We do a Tuesday live subscriber chat. You're welcome to join us. This is my experiment with the herringbone weave. So this is what we ended up with for this first try. I'm going to work on a focal bead next. So practice makes perfect. I'm just going to keep trying until I get it to where it's really beautiful. All right, good people, this is Sherry with Sharika Originals saying, as always, be blessed.